Good morning, everyone. How are you? I welcome you all for our maths class. Dear students, we know very well that every time we don't want to do study. So that's why we have decided activity classes for you. So now it's activity time. Let's ready. For this activity, we required the following materials like colored sheets, Fevicol or glue, a pair of scissors and sketch pens. You all need these material. So here I have collected the material: scissor, scale, Fevicol, colors and different sheets. Today we are going to make a calendar. That calendar you can use at your home also. As I told you, we need colored sheet. So dear students, with the help of these colored sheets, we have to cut the shape of a cloud. You can take any colored sheet, and with the help of other sheets, you have to cut a heart shape. We want these 7. You can use different colors also, and we need 12 heart shapes because there are 7 days and 12 months in a year. So here we will write on the heart shapes. You have to write months of the year, and on these shapes, cloud shapes, you have to write days of the week. After writing the days of the week, see how our clouds will look like. I have written Monday, Tuesday, it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and the last one is Sunday. So like this, you will write all the days on these cloud shapes. And on the heart shapes, you will write months of a year. See how I have taken 3 colored sheets, and on that sheets I have written months of a year. It's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and this December. So like this you will write months of a year. And then we need a circle shape. Firstly, you will cut a circle shape, and after that you will draw the shape of the face of a cat. See, eyes, ears, and like this you will make the face of this. Then we need any color shape, and we will divide that shape into 2 parts. You will fold it like this. See, and after that you will cut it into 2 parts. Then when you will cut this, it will look like. And then you have to make these designs. After each 1 centimeter, you will fold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so like this you will fold, and after that you have to paste these days of the week on these lines. Like this is our first line, so here I will paste my first. This is Sunday. I will paste here, and then on the next line I will paste next day. Here it is Saturday. Then the day before Saturday, it will be Friday. After pasting all the days on this strip, it will look like Monday, and then here we have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and the last is Sunday. Then you will take a small strip of this paper and put it down, and then you have to paste it like this. See, here we will apply glue both corners, and then we will paste it here. And in the same way we will paste these months of a year on the next strip. You can see you have to paste like this. Here you can see all the days, months. And on this, after pasting this strip, you have to fold it, this long strip, and you have to enter this here so that we can easily pull it up. See, like this. If we want to show Monday, then it will be like this. And if we will pull this strip up, you can see Wednesday, then Thursday and Friday, like this. Okay, so you have to make it. After that, you will take small strips, and on that strips you will write 0, 1, 2 and 3. And you will take more strips. On that you will write 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, 8 and 9. So you will write these digits. Okay. After that we will take a square sheet, and then we will fold it from both these sides, these two sides. Firstly we will fold it from down, see, and after that we will fold it like this from the back side. So here you will get the place, means here we can put are these slips easily, and other also we will put it like this. So if you want to change the date, you can easily change it. How we will change it? For example, today the date is 29 or 30. So firstly we will put 3 here and 0. So with the help of these numbers we can show our date. Now our every material is ready. Now we will assemble it. Now we will take a cardboard, or you can take a chart, half chart. Now everything is ready. We just have to assemble it, or we have to paste it. First of all, as you can see, here I have months of a year. So I will paste it first with the help of glue. Apply glue here. And then we will paste it. See, after pasting all the things, how our calendar will look like, and you can use it at your home also. You can easily change the date, month and day also. Which month is going on now? Yes, this is July. So here from this side we can change the month. It's January, February, March, April, May, June and July. Means here the month is July, and which day is today? Yes, today is Thursday. So here also see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or you can pull it from here also, like this. It's Thursday, so we want to show the Thursday. See, it is Thursday and date today is 30th. So now you can make a beautiful calendar at home. With this activity, we learnt there are 7 days in a week and 12 months in a year. And there are 31 or 30 days in a month. Dear students, I hope you'll enjoyed it and try to make it at home with the help of your mother, father or your elder brother or sister, and send the pictures at school WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a nice day.